Today, I'm going to give you my better for you spin on a summer barbecue classic. Now, you've all had a traditional hot dog, but I bet you haven't had a sweet potato hot dog. And it all starts with the sweet potatoes, because guess what? These are our buns. And pardon the pun, we've got to get our buns in the oven. So what we've got is some extra virgin olive oil. We're going to massage it all over our sweet potatoes, and then we want to give it a really generous season of salt and a good crack of pepper. We're going to get those in the oven at 180 degrees for 40 to 50 minutes, or until they're golden brown and caramelised on the outside and beautiful soft in the centre. About 10 to 15 minutes prior to your sweet potato buns being ready, you want to bring 2 fry pans up to medium-high heat. I'm using some extra lean sausages which are packed with protein, that are gluten-free with no artificial colours and flavours. And it's nothing but pure Australian beef with no MSG, so it's a big win for me. What you want to do is you want to get those sausages into your pan, and you're going to cook them for a couple of minutes on each side until they're golden brown and delicious on the outside and beautifully cooked through. What's better than just sausages in a hot dog is a whole lot of flavour in the form of some caramelised onion and bacon. So in another pan, I'm going to saute them off until they're softened, golden, delicious and caramelised, and then we can get on to making our delicious low-carb mustard sauce. The problem with most store-bought condiments and sauces is that you never know what's quite in them, especially when it comes to processed and refined sugars. What I'm doing is making one from scratch with some simple ingredients. We've got Dijon mustard, some apple cider vinegar, some cayenne pepper, but also instead of using a refined or processed sugar, we're going to sweeten it with a monk fruit sweetener that is a fantastic alternative to golden syrup. It's golden malt flavoured syrup, making this low-carb and keto-friendly. About 1/4 cup in there. To emulsify those delicious flavours, we're going to get some mayonnaise in there, a really good quality one using extra virgin olive oil. All we need to do now is whisk those ingredients together until they're well combined, so it can top our delicious hot dogs with this goodness. I think why I really love this recipe is that it's a really unique take on something that's traditionally not that great for you. I mean, we've swapped out the white bun for a sweet potato. Open it right up, and then we've got that delicious homemade sugar-free condiment with this mustard sauce. Now, I'm going to be really generous. I want to get all the way down the middle. Onion and bacon. Name a more iconic duo that is going to go in here. We've got the charry brown edges on that bacon, and that means there's so much natural flavour happening right there. And then last but not least, our fantastic protein-rich sausages. We're going to go in there with one. We're going to go in there with another. A little bit of green, bring it to life with some flat leaf parsley, chopped up, a final crack of salt. Have you ever seen a hot dog look this good? This is almost a restaurant quality hot dog. Packed with flavour, so much nutrition. The next time you've got a barbecue, whip out these sweet potato hot dogs for your friends.